Welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see how to increase the size of the icon in the menu and magnify the icons in the menu. Okay, I am currently using macOS Ventura, so we will see how to increase it. Okay, so first we need to go to system settings. If you are not having in the menu, you can press command spacebar. Okay, so after that you can type settings. You will be getting system settings. Click on the system settings. After clicking system settings, you will be having option like desktop and dock. Okay, click on desktop and dock. In the top you will be seeing under dock, you will be seeing size and magnification. Okay, so first we will see size. So in size currently it is in medium size. Okay, if you want to reduce the size, you can do small. Okay, so immediately it will be getting effect. Okay, so whatever you are changing, no need to save. So just increase and decrease, it will automatically set according to it. Okay, we will see how to magnify icons in the menu. Okay, so currently it is off, so I will set it to medium. Now you can see the magnification in the icon, so I will even increase it. You can see the effect. I will even increase to the maximum. This is the maximum magnification. Okay, so I will set to somewhere near medium, so that is suitable for me. So you can set according to your need. Okay, that's all I have for this video. We will meet in another new video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.